Welcome to the course. My name is Alex Gunadinik and I'll be your instructor. I sincerely appreciate the time and trust that you're putting into me in this course, and I'll do whatever I can to make sure that you get a lot of value from the course.
This video is brought to you by EpiPies Academy.
Starting with, I make sure to answer 99% of student questions within 24 hours, and I regularly hold office hours where you and I can actually have a one-on-one conversation and I can help to steer you in the right direction. Now, let me tell you a little bit about this course and my background. So I've been selling online with video for many years now, and I've seen my own progression from making mediocre videos to making videos that are actually successful. And a good video can boost sales conversion and sales hundreds of percent. I didn't believe that when I first came across that, and my first videos didn't accomplish that because they weren't all that good. But once I became better, it was really true. A well-made video with the right well-made format makes a world of difference. Keeping in mind that a poorly made video can make sales actually worse. So I'm excited to present the strategies in this course because they're optimized for sales. They're made to sell. So all you have to do is follow the strategies in this course, make good videos with production quality, and you will boost your sales of the products if you're selling directly on YouTube or you have videos embedded in sales pages. All those scenarios will work. So I'm really excited about the results you can get from this course. So let's get started.